say to me now? I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at Gotranscript. This audio is used for the transcriber test at Gotranscript.
Hello everybody, I hope that you are well, and let me ask you something. What is your favorite movie? Do you have one? What is the most inspiring thing about it? How do you feel when you're watching it? What drives people's behavior? I have just recently listened to I Don't Wanna Miss a Thing by Aerosmith. This song is just amazing. These lyrics are really deep, about love, just like majority of the songs, of course. Many people keep asking me, are you still interested in Aerosmith and its production? I always come like, yes, I am.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at Gotranscript.
That song reminds me of Armageddon. A-R-M-A-G-E-D-D-O-N. Of course, there are many good movies that I enjoyed watching, like Marlin Me with Jennifer Aniston, Meet Joe Black with Brad Pitt and Claire Forlani, or Antitrust with Jonathan Young. But today I will focus on Armageddon. This film was produced by Michael Bay and Jerry Bruckheimer and released by Touchstone Pictures in 1998. There are three main people in the plot: A.J. Frost, Grace, and Harry Stompers. Harry is the best sea oil driller in the world, and that is why he comes into play in this possible extinction level event, where an asteroid is going to impact the world in a short period of time. Therefore, NASA, which stands for National Aeronautics and Space Administration, contacts Harry to drill a deep shaft into it and plant a nuclear weapon. All the time, Grace, a daughter of Harry, used to hate her father. She blamed him for being left behind by her mother, for growing up in the oil drilling ports and not having control over her life.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at Gotranscript.
However, she finally fell in love with one of her father's employees, A.J., but Harry was strongly against this relationship since he firmly believed that his daughter deserved to find a better man who would not be a blue-collar, deep-core oil driller. Anyways, going back to the movie. So Harry and his crew agreed to help NASA. Therefore, 2 space shuttles are launched from Kennedy Space Center in Florida. Long story short, a mission was successful, but Harry could not come back. He had to stay to detonate the bomb manually since remote trigger had previously been damaged. The most sensitive and painful to watch scene was when Harry called NASA to tell his daughter Grace that he would not be able to keep up his promise to come back. What was his daughter's response? She was like, I lied to you too when I told you I don't want to be like you because I am like you. And everything good that I have inside of me, I have from you. I love you so much, Daddy. I'm so proud of you. You can actually find that part of the movie on YouTube since it was uploaded over 2 years ago.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at Gotranscript.